Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Cooking in English. Today we are going to make kulcha, a very famous cuisine of India. Last time we made chickpeas, so along with that Indians used to eat these breads. Okay, let's begin. Here are the ingredients. First is the pack of kulcha or bread. This is easily available in market. 4 slices of bread, desi ghee or any vegetable oil, and for the spices you need 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of chaat masala, and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. So here are the boiled potatoes. And if you want to know how to boil them, then please check it in the video link given in the description box. And we forgot to mention the ketchup, tomato ketchup. So we have to mash the boiled potatoes. And these are crushed. Now putting all the spices in it and mix it well. And we have to crush these breads in a mixer. So here you can see these are crushed bread, and mix it. Now apply this mixture on kulcha. Turn on the flame and put a pan on it at low flame. Put a spoon of ghee on the pan or any vegetable oil. And when it's get heat up, then place the kulcha over it. Just after a minute, you will get a brown color. That means it is well cooked. Flip it gently and you can see. Now just heating up the other side if you want that crunch, otherwise you can eat it as it is. So it's made cutting with a cutter or a knife, anything. And see, it can be easily eaten with chickpeas that we made in our last video. Is another way to eat. Here is another dish plate in which we have put this kulcha. So you can eat like this along with tomato ketchup. Garnish with some grated radish. And it's such an easy recipe. Just try it and garnish as you like and enjoy.